Hey, what's up, guys? So, I want to go over a thing that I've been using for years. This helps me calculate the size I should be using, how much I should be risking, all that kind of stuff. And so, we're gonna start with this. So, it really depends on what you guys. I don't know what you guys can start with. I'm imagining that you guys are starting with, say, a $30,000 account. Say you don't have a $30,000 account. Okay, so you come in here, change this to say you have $5,000. You don't live in America. Okay, so for me, it would be a little bit different because if you are not an American, you have a $5,000 account. Like, it really would be like you have a $30,000 trade account, because the $30,000, the $25,000 means that you're above PDT, right? That means that you can risk $5,000. So I would plug that in the same way. What that means is that your risk should be $150 per trade. You should size in accordingly. Every day that you guys trade, cool. You're risking $150 per trade. So if you're somebody that is just starting out, you'd only be trading gap and crap. So your one trade should be worth $150. You should only lose $150 on a day. At the same time, you should be making sure that you're at least making $300 a day. And these numbers can change. If you want a little bit more help, reach out to me. But anyways, I had a stock that I traded, a couple months ago, and I went on tilt, right? And say I'm down $450. Okay, well now it automatically calculates where my trade should be. And if you look at this, it just dropped that down and recalculated exactly what my 1R should be now. It went down a little bit. Okay, so say the next day I make $300. Then I don't know, say I make 450. Cool. You had a really good day, dude. Then say I'm down 150. Oh, oops, down 150. Say I made a monster trade, like a home run trade. Cool, there you go, dude. $600. You made $750 that month, or that week. It shows you exactly how much you did. You plug in the stock up here. Like what you were trading at the very beginning. You guys should only be trading one stock anyways. So okay, plug in up here. As it goes down, it'll start showing you your P&L curve down here. At the same time, it also recalculates what your R should be. Yeah, you're not going to make crazy amount of money. Like, you start scaling this up and say that you're trading with, you get up to where you have a $50,000 trading account. Cool. Now, well, shit, dude. Now your 1R is $250. That's a lot of money, and you start to plug and play. And it's a good way for you guys to go about it. If you guys are not in America, I would still plug in, okay, say you have $2,000. Okay, so that would mean you have a $27,000 trade account. Oops, I fucked that up. 27. Boom. Alright, so you should be risking about $140, if you have a week like this. And it's a good way for you guys to manage your risk and start plugging and playing. It also shows you, your P&L curve. You can start seeing different things, different data. It's just another tool that can be used. And so I'm going to plug this in, and this is going to be a one-time payment where you guys can get this amazing tool, and hopefully it helps you guys out on your journey. If you guys have any questions or you need any help with it, just let me know.